So as I keep saying, Rich, the two data points that were being tracked on the internet when it comes to marketing and advertising, it's people that are clicking and going to your website. People are tracking that visit. That's a custom audience. And then it's what we're watching. So if we're watching videos and they happen to be ads or even not, like you can create custom audiences around any website and any video, regardless if you're running an ad or not. It doesn't even matter.
Okay.
Um, so 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 here we'll create a few custom audiences. So we need a custom audience around your new opt-in page. We need a custom audience around your new thank you page. We need a custom audience around that new video.
Okay.
And that's it. Right?
Okay.
So here we're going to go to your folder, we're going to go to custom audiences, and then now just grab the link for your opt-in page.
Uh,
Download your seller guide to the right. Would it be that one?
right
Yep.
here.
So
Okay.
click on that one. Get only the domain. We only need the domain, not the www. So copy that.
Well, okay.
And this will be an audience that you'll retarget a lot as well. And that's why I'm trying to tell you, like, stay focused on just this. Like, don't switch to a buyer guide one, next
Yes.
month. Like, just
No,
stay
I'm
focused.
staying on this.
Whether
I
it's
ain't
this or whether it's that, it doesn't matter. Just pick one. Like, pick one, and you got to go all in on just that one campaign.
okay.
So here, hit the blue button, create audience, custom audiences, and then website. So website and video, that's all you'll ever create audiences around. And lead form whenever you're running a lead form ad, but website and video. So hit next. Okay, so here you're gonna all website visitors, you're gonna hit that drop down and you're gonna come down to people who visited specific. It's always a specific. No, Rich. Specific. People who visit specific web pages. Up. The middle one, Rich.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay. So the retention, you can go to max that out at 180. So Facebook will just keep these people in this audience for 180 days. So take that
Okay.
30 to 180 and then just paste in the link right below. Down. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do an extra step. Go ahead and click on that blue link. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to exclude. So this is going to be an audience of those who only hit the landing page. They've never opted in. And to do that is we exclude. So we're going to exclude, do the same thing, website visitors, come down to specific. It's always specific one, Rich. Always go with a specific one. Retention, change it out to 180. And then now you're going to paste in the thank you page. So get the link for the thank you page. Okay, so now paste that in, and that's it, Rich. That is it. So here we're excluding anyone who's actually opted in. Okay, so click the blue, scroll down, give it a name, audience name, and this is seller guide page visitors. Seller guide page visitors, and then in parentheses, you're going to put only. So these are seller guide visitors only, right? So
Okay.
so so this should be an audience that you're retargeting in the future as well, right? So
Okay.
so anyone who has hit that landing page but did not opt in, they need to see another ad, right? So
Okay.
you're always going to be retargeting your 15 seconds. You're always going to be retargeting this audience here. So hit the blue create audience. Done. Okay. So now that audience is right there at the top. X out to the right. Get rid of this right hand side of the page. Okay. So now let's
Okay.
do another one. Hit the blue button. Custom audience. Website. Okay. So now same thing. Website visitors. Come down to specific. Same thing, Rich. 180. Now paste in the link for the thank you page.
The-
You have it
And
copied
that's
already.
already there. Okay.
Yeah. So paste it in there. And audience name, seller guide leads. That's what this is. Seller guide leads. Okay, awesome. create audience, and that's it, man. That's it. So this here, as these ads and as this campaign really starts to, really rock and roll, this will be an audience that you'll exclude.
Okay.
So you'll start to exclude, not anytime soon, maybe by the time you're on your third ad, fourth ad, you can that audience would be big enough to actually, I would say maybe really after you capture your first lead. So maybe let's say this ad goes live and it really starts to rock, then that's an audience that you'll start to exclude starting on the next ad. So starting on ad number 2 and on. Um, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. So it doesn't matter if 100 people are in that audience or one person, you'll start excluding them. So same thing in the ad set level, right where you click in that box and you clicked on custom audiences and you saw a list of all your 15 seconds and you added, you added your 15 seconds right there. You'll also see an exclude button. So right there, there's also an exclude button for any
Okay.
audiences that you want to exclude,
Okay.
right? Because
Uh,
as you're on the internet and you just bought that Tiger Woods golf set and you landed on the purchase complete page, you're now in that, which is a custom conversion, which we went over, right? Thank you page, the confirmation page, whether you're buying something or just opting into something. That was the custom conversion, the purchase complete, but that's also their custom audience. So what they're doing is they're also taking that custom audience and excluding them from seeing future ads, because if Rich already bought the Tiger Woods golf set, why do they keep
you don't
showing him that ad?
you don't need another one
He
unless
don't need
they've
another
got
one,
additional products to sell,
right?
and then they
And
might
that,
keep in it.
yes, well, not keep you in it, but that's when they'll just simply retarget you with a different ad.
Right.
So
Okay.
I could take that custom audience of Tiger Wood golf set customers, and I have that custom audience right here, and I could turn around tomorrow, show them another ad on a different Tiger Wood product,
Exactly.
right? Because
Okay.
that would be more relevant. They just bought the golf clubs. Now we're showing them the golf hat, the shoes, the Nike shoes that Tiger wears, right? We're now showing them those because we know
Okay.
this audience. We know they bought the club set. So now, right? So that's all we're
Right.
doing, man, is we're including or excluding based on relevancy. So
Okay.
so in your case, it's just pretty basic, like just these 2 pages. So that's what you'll just start doing in the future is start excluding that audience from seeing your ads. So
Okay.
so now last audience, click the blue button, create audience. And that's all that was a one-time thing. So you'll never have to come in here and do those audiences again. Those are set, ready to go, never have to touch them again. What you'll always do on every video, on every ad though, on every ad is you'll always create a new no video. You'll always create a new audience of the video because it's going to always be a new video, the next ad, right? So this is really
Uh-huh.
all you'll do. Next ad, it's not coming in and doing audiences around websites again, unless you have a whole nother funnel, unless you have a whole nother, open house or listing. That's when you
Yes.
have to take those new links and create audiences. But if we're just going to focus on the seller guide, then those audiences are done. All you'll ever do is this one right here. You'll always just do an audience around your new video. Okay, so 15 seconds, and then hit the choose videos in the top right. Find that video, and you have it up there twice, huh?
No, well,
That's
uh,
fine. That's fine. But as long as that's the right one, which it is, that's the right one. Maybe we could just delete the other one off the page, but that's fine.
okay.
So confirm, and then the retention on video, it's 365. You can always bring that way down, but that's fine. Leave it at 365. You can always, yeah, you can leave it at that. So audience name, just give it a name. Seller guide video 1 or whatever's gonna help you remember what video that was. And then in parentheses, you're going to do 15 seconds. And that's it, Rich. So custom audiences around your links, custom audiences around your videos, and then just retargeting these as you move forward. And that's how you really create that omnipresence and that branding. People start to see you over and over and over and over and over again.
Okay.
Right. And that's the magic. That's the magic. So click on done, and that's your custom audiences.
Okay.